Let's go ahead and change out some of our theme settings. To find your theme settings, go to the gear icon here on the left-hand side and click into it. Let's begin by uploading our favicon. If you look at my tabs here, you'll see that Shopify has a favicon available here. It's simply a logo that appears within your browser. To upload your favicon, just drag it here onto favicon and upload it. Let that upload, and that will properly appear on our website when it's published. Next, we have some other options we can customize. If your store has a specific brand or color scheme you're looking for, you can add in your own color scheme here. I like the black and white look that my store currently has, so I'm just going to leave this how it is. I do, however, want to change out the font on my store. And to do that, I'll click on typography. And I want to change my font from Assistant, and I'll scroll down and find Archivo here. To select the font, I'll click on it and then click on Select. I'll change my body font from Assistant to Archivo Narrow, and then I'll click on Select again, and you'll see that font appear here on the right-hand side on my store. The last thing I want to do is go to Animations here and then turn on the 3D Lift Hover effect. The 3D Lift Hover effect looks really good in my opinion and just adds a little bit of polish to your store. To see what that looks like, let's scroll down to one of our products here. We have our Maxwell graphic tee that we made earlier. If I hover over this, you'll see when my mouse goes over it that it just slightly comes off the page.